What's up, everybody? Hey, Brian Tong here, and in my hands, the new Pixel 7 in lemongrass, the new Pixel 7 Pro in hazel, and you know what time it is. We're in the studio. I got two boxes, so we're gonna do an unboxing, and these are Google's new flagship phones, and out of all the phones that are out there on the market, I think that they really lean into a unique design. I mean, you have still kind of that visor look on the back, but this time they're bringing the forefront with the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. It was more of like a black strip, but here now we're raising it with kind of we're seeing the metal, we're seeing the colors of it. So this is really cool. So let's open each one up and then talk a little bit about them. And we're gonna start with the Pixel 7, and this is lemongrass. It's the only one that comes in this cool kind of yellow color. There is obsidian, there is snow, but I gotta bring the colors in. Thanks to Google for providing these just for the unboxing and for review. So let's, you see the box here? It's nice and classy. Let's flip it over and let's do the honors. You know what I'm gonna do here, right? Okay, so just because I know you like to hear these sounds, let's get in tight, okay? Here we go, hold on. Oh, was that satisfying enough for you? Okay, let's try again. Oh, did that make you feel good today? All right, so let's flip it over here. Enjoy the box, because this is the last time you're gonna see it all in one piece. I will do the honors. Ooh, woo! Lemongrass. Ooh, and I love this this like brushed aluminum. It kind of has this matte finish on it. And here you see the dual camera. On the Pixel 7, this is going to be a 50 megapixel wide camera, and then you have a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Oh, see, this is when I hold these, I mean, they really lean into a unique design that doesn't look like any other phone out there. And I think like there's some fun like memes about like the visor and everything, but it looks incredible. And this is the lemongrass color, which is like kind of a soft yellowish, and it's just really nice when you look at it at all of its, you got even right, kind of the matte aluminum, you know, border on the side as well. Feels like a good weight. And this is a 6.3 inch display here. This does not have the 120 hertz higher refresh rate on it for the 7 at least. Capacity wise, you'll have options for 128 and 256 gigs as well. The other thing obviously is with its camera system, which is Pixel is renowned for, you're gonna get, you know, super res zoom. You're gonna get things like magic eraser. They're adding a cinematic blur mode to blur the background as well. And then you have the motion mode where you can capture things in fast motion just with this camera built in. So really cool stuff here. The camera is obviously like one of the highlights of our phones. That's why we talk about them so much. Also in here, you have the USB to USB-C adapter for your cable. Older cables, you have the USB-C to USB-C cable that comes in here. Manual wise, here's the manual. How cute, how cute. Let's read all these together, shall we? No, we're not gonna do that. You really think I'm gonna do that? I'm not gonna do that. And you have the little tool, SIM card, eject tool, remover. Should we see if it works, the novelty of something like this? Oh my God, it still has it, the SIM card. I still, you know, yes, eSIM is the future, but I think that having both options is still important. Just swapping it out from phone to phone, it can be easier instead of sometimes waiting for processes that people have experienced that it takes a long time. So here you go, first look at the Pixel 7, starts at $599. That is with 128 gigs of storage capacity. But man, I will always love Pixel's design across the board of their products. They really have a design language that is cohesive, makes sense whether you're talking about their phones, whether you're talking about their Pixel Watch. Just really nice stuff. Okay, so here's the Pixel 7. Now let's clear things off and make way for the bigger brother, the big boy, the Pixel 7 Pro, okay? So I'm gonna say goodbye for now, and we're gonna bring this to the center, and here you go. I love these colors. These are like super modern. This is the hazel color setup. Again, you still have obsidian, which is like the all black. You still have snow, which is all white, but this is hazel. And this might be, in my opinion, the classiest looking color tones on any smartphone today. And it comes with some risk. I mean, not a lot of people are willing to bring kind of like these golds and this like grayish green. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, so again, for you, ASMR boxing freaks. Ooh! Okay. Flip it over. Let's do the honors. Whoa! All right. This is impactful. This is so nice. So this is now more of a polished metal edges. So matte is on the 7 Pro classes it up a little. You even see on the edges of here, it's a polished, shiny metal exterior. Here is the triple lens camera setup. Now this is what's really cool here. You have a 50 megapixel wide camera. You have a 48 megapixel ultra wide, and then, 48 megapixel telephoto, and then a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Woo! 6.7 inch display, fingerprint sensor on the front. I forgot to mention that on the 7. They both have the fingerprint sensor capability to unlock as well. Oh, this also has the super res zoom feature, so you can zoom up to something like 30x, which with this phone, and it'll obviously kind of boost and clean up the resolution, so you get really sharp pictures at that 30x. I can't wait to try that out on this phone. But you can see here all 3 cameras. This does have the 120 hertz refresh rate, so it'll look a lot buttery smooth, what you're used to on some of the higher end phones here. This is gonna be $899 retail, but this gray, like it's like a silver, but it has nods of like I don't know, depending on when the angle hits it, a little bit of like a goldish tint, like I don't know, like a rose gold silver tint. Does that make sense? It looks really silver here, but it's not pure silver here. I love this. It looks so classy. And then again, the box here, the cord, the USB to USB-C adapter. Okay, so the cord, the USB-C cable, and then the manuals. But let's take a look here now. Oh, this is so nice. We'll put here. What do you think? Pixel 7 Pro, Pixel 7. I mean, you stack them up side by side. These look incredible with each other. So there you go, everybody. Want to give you a first look of the Pixel 7 Pro, the Pixel 7, and this is up for you to decide how they stack up. I'm gonna get into these. We'll get a review out. Obviously, there's so much tech coming out, but there will be a review on these, and I'm excited to check them all out.